So far, you've learned what digital marketing is, what e-commerce is, and how they relate to one another. Now, let's explore some of the things people who work in these fields do on a day-to-day basis. The first thing you should know is that the digital marketing and e-commerce industry is kind of like an engine. There's a ton of moving pieces and a lot going on inside. Different parts of the engine do different jobs, but at the end of the day, they all work together to keep things running smoothly and efficiently. Now, at a big organization, you might specialize in one or two different areas, while at smaller companies, you could be responsible for a little bit of everything. With so many different jobs to do, there's no single set of responsibilities that applies to everyone. That's part of what makes this industry so exciting. No matter what your strengths are, there's probably a role to fit them. It also means you'll have tons of options when deciding where to take your career. I'm a small business owner, so I take responsibility for a lot of activities, like strategizing and executing marketing campaigns, website management, and product development. But I'm also able to outsource some of the activities I'm less experienced at, like customer service and order fulfillment. We all have our particular interests and strengths, and identifying yours can help you figure out what you want to do. So, if you like writing, you might enjoy working on marketing emails or blog articles. If you're more visual, you could end up working with image assets or website layouts. If you have a talent for organization, you might enjoy managing an e-commerce store. Or if you're more of a numbers person, you might spend your days working on pricing strategies or analyzing data to spot trends in customer engagement. This program will help you prepare for a variety of jobs in the digital marketing and e-commerce space, with titles like Digital Marketing Coordinator or E-commerce Analyst. Even though those roles might seem really distinct, there can be a lot of similarities between them depending on where you work. Because the responsibilities of digital marketing and e-commerce specialists often overlap, they tend to share some of the same skills and use the same digital channels, like social media, email, and ads. So, no matter what your title is, you might find yourself doing audience research, planning, creating, or publishing content, updating product descriptions, or analyzing data to understand the results of your efforts. And your goals might include everything from reaching and engaging potential customers online, building trust, demonstrating value, driving sales, or creating a great customer experience. Of course, there are many more types of roles within digital marketing and e-commerce, and you'll learn more about specific job titles and their responsibilities later on in this course. But no matter what kind of role you're aiming for, it helps to understand how their goals and responsibilities fit together, from raising brand awareness to driving sales to managing inventory. Fortunately, that's exactly what this program is designed to help you learn. Coming up, we'll explore some core skills for digital marketing and e-commerce and some ways you might have practiced them already.